Hi everyone. So today we'll be doing the network exploitation challenge from the CyberHackathon CTF. To be honest, this wasn't really exploitation, as I've said before in Discord and stuff, and it isn't really. You just have some network captures which you are going to analyze some Wireshark files, and based on that you have to give the flags there. So I'm not sure why they named it exploitation. Well, this is just simple going through the file and finding the flags. That's it. So let's get started. So in this one, we have a pkapng file, and we are going to extract 4 out of the 5 flags, right? So we have 5 options. We can extract any 4. So let's get started from the first one. You need to have Wireshark installed to open these files, just so you know. Okay, so the first one mentions that we have to get flag from the comments, right? So let's take a look at it. Wireshark check comments. I thought of just googling this during the challenge, and I came across this filter. When type that, you can see packets here which have been commented by whoever guy created the pkapng file, right? So if you search for that, you can see that we have 5 packets here which have that right here. So it's highlighted in green. So let's start with the first one. If you open that, and there's the flag, right? Nothing much to do here. If you just open the trace, you can see that I don't think so. In all of this there is a flag. There isn't, right? So from the packet comment we get the very first flag, and you can just copy, I think, the value or visible items. Let's try the value first. We have notepad here, something like that. Anything, come on. Okay, I think we can use that to write our flags to once it opens, and yeah, it has opened. Let me just open gedit. Okay, there we go. So we got the first flag, right? And let's move on to the second one, right? So get flag from comments. So for the second one, we have get flag from downloaded captured file, right? So there is some downloaded file which we have to check. So if you go back to the filter, right? So there was something interesting. All of these packets were commented, right? So I was easily able to identify what they were talking about the next, right? You can see here there's a flag, and in this case there is a file which is being opened or something like that, right? And if you come below down here, there we go, that is the second flag. So I think some file is being transferred using the SMB protocol, and yep, that is the second flag, if you will. There we go. So for the third one, these are pretty simple. Get flag from reverse shell. So it means just packet comment. I think there is this word contains. Yeah. So if it contains, maybe netcat, and there we go. We got a packet. We could have found that using simple packet comment as well, but I'm just going to look into this. And there you go. Once that guy took the reverse shell, he opened the hickflag.txt file, and that is the flag. So that is the third flag. Going forward, we have get netcat shell file. So this was I was stuck on this for a bit, but again, going back to the simple filter, we get, this is the third request, right? So you can see that there is nothing in here, but as the hint here or the challenge here indicates, get netcat shell file, right? So we're not going to type the shell file name there, but if you see here, there is this directory netcat win32. Let me just open this, right? So you can see here that we have this directory, and inside that we have this, right? So there is no flag here really, but if you look at the comment of this packet, you can find the flag. So in this case, that is this TCP stream. Sorry, my bad. Coming back here, that is the flag. And which flag number is this? I think it's the 4th one, right? So I will just be copying this, the value, and there we go. We got the 4th flag as well. And the 5th one is get DHCP server IP. So so that packet has been commented as well, and you can see that it says this one, right? There's a comment here. So we can see that 128, whenever you, let's say you use VMware or something and you have a NAT adapter, you can see that your IP starts from 128 and goes forward to 129, 130, 131, and so forth, right? So in this case, this is the IP of the DHCP server. We just needed 4 flags, to be honest, and we have already done the CTF, but for the sake of this, we can also grab this, right? So if we do a UDP stream, we can see both of the packets, right? So this is the response being sent from the attacker's machine, which source is this, right? This is the sender, and this is the receiver, right? And this here is the sender again, which is the DHCP server is sending this to this, right? So you can see Kali here, that means definitely that's not our DHCP server, and this one is, so whatever the source here is, that is our DHCP server. So we can just, that is the IP, 192.168.241.254. So that was it for this challenge, and I think the other ones are also simple. See you in the next one. Thank you.